Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm just going to show you how I'm using AI snippets to create highly personalized cold email campaigns. So let's get right into it. So if you don't know what an AI snippet is a piece of data that you can incorporate to your cold email campaign. So here's a good example of an AI snippet. So this is the tenure data of the prospect, meaning this is the number of years and months that this prospect has been working on a specific company. So I'm using this as a snippet to personalize my cold email. So this is a sample cold email that I built for a client. In the first line, you're gonna notice here that there is this custom tag tenure. And what this does is that it mentions the tenure of the prospect. So it's gonna say something like, hey, I see you've been the CEO at Lead Assassin for about 2 years, so I thought you'd be the ideal person to discuss. So that's what we're trying to do here. So in this video, we're not going to build clay tables or we're not going to write prompts because I already have the table here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to the clay table as well as the campaign that I built. Tenure is an AI snippet that I'm using here to personalize my cold email. And I'm also using a personalized PS note wherein I'm mentioning the prospect's specific location. So for example, notice on LinkedIn you're based in Sydney. If we connect, I'd be happy to buy you lunch at name of a famous restaurant. So this is how it looks like when it gets received by the prospect. So it's gonna mention the tenure, and it's also going to mention the location, and it's also going to mention a famous restaurant. So this is a famous restaurant in Sydney. So this is basically how I structured the data. So again, I first captured the tenure of the prospect, and this is based on the prospect's LinkedIn profile. So this is the prompt. So if you want to use this prompt, I'm going to slowly scroll this so you can pause and copy and paste it. All right. And then the next step of enrichment that I've done here is that I cleaned up all the job titles, because if you notice here, I'm mentioning the title in the cold email campaign. So it is very important that the title doesn't have any other elements aside from the job title only. And then same goes with the company name. So I have this company name cleaner, and then the next layer of enrichment here is the role involvement. So basically, I'm mentioning the specific role or role involvement of the prospect based on the LinkedIn profiles. For example, this prospect is involved in operations leadership and performance management. So it's going to be mentioned in this line. And then another enrichment is the city name. So again, we're mentioning the city name in the PS note. So very important that we have that. And then restaurant checker. So my strategy here is that I ask AI or Claygent to find a famous restaurant that is not a fast food. It's not cheap, but not also too expensive, and has to be recognized locally so that the prospect will recognize the restaurant. And I'm not saying that you do the same because your client might not be comfortable with this approach. I just use this because the client approves this approach. So that's why I'm mentioning here that if you connect, I'd be happy to buy you lunch at restaurant name. So another enrichment is the mission of the company. It's being mentioned in the third email. So first name, I saw you how you help. Then the mission. Let's take a look at example here. Example, this is the mission. So it's not the best one, as you can see. So let's take a look at another one. So support older Australians with grace. So this looks good to me. So it's being mentioned right here in the third email. The next layer of filter here is that once I fully enrich all these contacts that I have in my list, they are all going to be added automatically on instantly. So I will be creating a separate video sharing how you can integrate instantly with Clay. This is how I'm using AI snippet to build personalized campaigns. So you can get creative with this. You can even create 10 times better personalized campaign than this. So you just have to think of an AI snippet that you can mention in your cold email campaign. So that's pretty much it. I hope you got value, and I hope I was able to show you clearly how I'm using AI snippets. So if you have any questions or if you have any feedback or any suggestions for improvement, just comment down below and I'll make sure to respond to them. Cheers.